Alright, welcome to the show. This is welcome to the show. This is Deadly Trader. As you know, everyone online just keeps giving their magical guru ideas of how to make money online. So yeah, this is me being an average person trying to make money myself. So yeah, I already did a whole setup of the account and so forth. And here I am on Euro USD. I kind of feel comfortable using this. I don't know what, but I mean, yeah, I'm here now. So, let's see. I use the boiler bangs indicators. It's this line thing with jiggy. You know, every time we reach the top, must go down. Reach the bottom, must go up. I know it might sound like I don't know what I'm doing, but that's the whole idea. I'm a random person going to do the make money online things for the other random persons to see if it can be done for real. So yeah, here we go. I use an indicator after watching a YouTube channel. What is it called now? It is, let's see. So here, money flow index and motor banks. So the idea of this is I'm using an hour. Honestly, it's like you can use any time frame that you prefer. But once the blue line here goes over the green, I will be calling, sell. And vice versa. If it went over the green from below, down here, well, I can't really show you, but it down here from the bottom, I'll be calling, buy. And then we're doing that for basically the whole shebang. I won't be doing this over again, I think. But here we go. What definitely already started. What called sell. I kind of brain fart. But yeah, called, and we are selling at whatever price that is. And right now I got like $87 equity. What am I gonna call it? But yeah, it's 0.02. Can't remember what that is also called as well. Like I just said, it's random person don't know what they're doing, and we'll find this out as we go along. We'll probably have some questions and figure out what to do. Well, that's not. But anyways, USD, 0.1. At least I know what that's 30, and like 0.02, that's $60. So I have the amount to spend for that. I was gonna try to keep going, but either way, we're gonna be doing this and seeing how much money I can make at the end of the month. Hopefully, I'm just going to keep posting every day and see how things go. So I can post in the morning. Like this will be my first post. Though you can see the time is 10:16 p.m. So let's see how it is at 10:16 p.m. Again, tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow. And we can see how it goes from there. Yeah. So, again, water bags. Oh, crap, the indicator stuff. See, that's all random. But if you can see here, period 12, take volume, yada, yada, yada. 2020 done. And also, what's the other one? Water bangs, standard stuff. No, I think that's all you need to know if you want to copy. I'm not sure if you want to copy from a complete amateur, but it's day one. Hopefully, it reaches to the end of the green line down here. Again, pretty sure you can't see. You can see here. Not this blue line right here. So hopefully you can get it there by, I don't know, tomorrow. We'll see. So we're gonna move from here to here. Maybe make some money. And yeah, let's see how this goes, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated. Hopefully I sound more how I say this. Hopefully I sound like I know what I'm doing by the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching.